Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of February 14th through the 20th in my vertical planner that I use for wellness. And most of the themes this week have to do with love and romance and Valentine's Day and Galentine's Day, so I'm not even going to fight it. I'm just going to go with it. There's only 1 week a year where you can use all the pink and red and maroon and rose gold that you want, so I already pulled all my prompts. For those of you that are new to my channel, I print my own wellness prompts so that I can set this up just like the original Happy Planner Wellness Planner from like 2016-ish. I have a video on that. I will link it in the cards up above. So the sticker book I pulled for this week, at first I was like, I'm not going to use red. This is going to be the one planner where I'm not going to use red, but you guys, I just couldn't resist. So I'm going with this KaiserCraft sticker book. I do have my favorite websites for KaiserCraft sticker books linked in the description box in case you want to try to find these. They've been out for a while. This one is called Blush, and it's full of lots, as you can see, it's full of lots of pinks and burgundies, and I just love it. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, and my sidebar, I did use the Birds Fly Studio, again, linked in the description box, the sidebar stack up, which I cut apart from my hydration. So let's start by pulling some words. I think the words in this one are pink with rose gold lettering, and I know you guys aren't going to be able to read that. Oh, let's look for long ones though for across the bottom first. We'll go to the page of stickers that are long, like washi strips. Here we go. And so I thought I would go ahead. This says, "Believe you can, and you're halfway there," which is a fine quote, but I don't feel like it fits with like my Valentine's Day kind of feels that I want to put in this planner. So I was thinking I would use love, 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 and the hearts. And what I can do, since they're both repetitive quotes, I like them because they match. They're both rose gold on burgundy. So I was thinking I would put this one on the left side that's wider. And then for this one, what I'll do is I'll cut it and I'll just use part of it for to fit under the 3 columns. So let's go ahead and just do that. I think I'll cut off about, if I cut off the width of a column, roughly, then I can use that maybe in another spread. So if I cut off about 3 hearts, and actually I think what I'll do is cut off this end so it won't show as much that the gap is a little bit lopsided, because it'll be in with near closer to the discs. So let's cut off about 3. There we go. Just cutting relatively lightly, cut through the sticker but not the back, the page that it's stuck to. All right, and let's go ahead and pull some words. So for something above keto and my positive word and my feeling, where did that page of words go? I think it was back further. All right, here we go. 2 copies of every page in this book. Let's see what we got here. I like "You Make Me Smile" for like a weekend banner kind of a thing. How about "You Got This" for above keto? And then I need a positive word and a feeling. I'm gonna put "feeling love" because on Valentine's Day I'm sure I will be. And I know it's not one word for positive word, but I like this "outdream yourself." I like that. So I'm going to use that for positive word. Okay, so that is all the words I need for my spread. So let's go ahead and get started. I pulled these bullet points because I thought they matched the colors in the book pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my super sharp tweezers and speed this up while I fill in. Oh, I need exercise boxes. Hang on. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, I was thinking I would use these. They do have a word printed on rose gold, but I can write right over that with a dark pen, and you won't even be able to tell. So I'm just going to grab let's see, there are 3 pink ones. Let's grab 3 pink ones. This page just fell right out of the book. And then also something to write my weigh-in numbers on. So maybe a flag or something. I just weigh in once a week. That's plenty. Here we go. Here we go. I can write right on this flag. There, right there. Okay. So again, I am going to speed this up while I fill in my center section so I can start to get a sense for the colors that are going to be on the page. So I'm going to do 4 bullet points each day for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. I will do my hydration tracker at the bottom of each day, and then I'll put my workout boxes in there, and then I'll be back. I just decided I wanted those to be left side justified. So let's go ahead and stick these 2 quotes along the bottom as well. I guess this one's not a quote, this is just hearts, but you know what I mean. Okay, and then I was thinking I would use Girl Boss Anna swishies to bring some of the dark color up here, but then I remembered I have this set of washi tape days of the week with the rose gold in that nice dark burgundy, and I got these from AliExpress, so I don't really have a link for you guys, and they're not as wide as the 1.5" column, but that's okay. I can cut them. I'm going to cut them just kind of evenly in between the days and use them anyway. So I decided to try and keep them aligned with the top line because I think I might put some Simply Gilded washi tape across there. I haven't decided yet. Okay, so there's that so far. So let's work on the left-hand side. So for that, I pulled some of my Girl Boss Anna swishies that you guys know I love to use these to go over my words like I've been doing. So let's go ahead and do that. Do that real quick. And I do have a link to the Girl Boss Anna swishies in the description box. I am a PR rep for them through June. And my code JUDI, Judy10, will get you 10% off your purchase. And she does have some new stuff coming out soon, pre-order stuff, which means she doesn't have it in hand. She is pre-ordering it based on the orders that come in. But the good news is that guarantees you will get what you order, so... All right, and then my open-ended journaling prompt is how I honored myself this week. All right, so now we're going to come up from the bottom to maximize that space. So watching. So we finished Lock and Key and we were watching Jeopardies. We got all the way up to having 100 Jeopardies on the DVR. Again, you guys were still watching Matt Amodio. But I will be watching the Winter Olympics for a while. So, because I love, love, love the Olympics. Feeling, the word I chose was love. Listening to, I actually have been listening to the birds. I haven't really been listening to much music lately, but I do have my, I am ready to listen to some John Baptiste, some jazz, love him. Reading, I am reading the 3rd still book, The Spread. Or the Stand is, yeah, it's the 3rd book in the spread. There are 4 and he's working on the 5th. It's about a weird fungus from the Scottish Highlands. So it's interesting. It's kind of apocalyptic. Okay, there we go. And positive word, I chose, what did I choose? I can't even read it. Outdream yourself. That's an interesting one. Okay. And then I need to decide, am I going with washi? So get that noisy paper out of the way. I did pull some Simply Gilded washi. I love, love, love this washi. It's that same super crazy dark burgundy color. And I think I definitely want to put some of this on there. It just, with the rose gold, it just matches too stinking well, you guys. So I think what I'll do is... Let's see. Can you guys talk to me like that? Yeah, I think I will do it like that because the burgundy in this and the burgundy in these is a tiny bit different. And that way they're not right up against each other. I've got foil right up against them. There's just a tiniest little gap. So let's put this all the way across the top. I'm just going to line it up with those days of the week. This washi tape has spots like my nail polish. And then let's go ahead and put the weekend banner kind of hanging down off a little bit. Yes, I like that. Now guys, I know it's a lot of dark, but I'm considering putting this washi on the bottom coming up just because I really love it and I rarely do spreads this dark. So I think I will. And then that just leaves us room across the middle for some decoration out of the book. Which, if I remember correctly, that book had a lot of stuff about like fashion and clothing. And so I probably will need the help filling in my top row of boxes, which is always for decoration and inspirational quotes. And just that little bit ripped up some of the paper. Oh my goodness. I think I might be considering printing my own planner pages for next year. I don't know, you guys. I need to be able to reposition my stickers. Those of you that have followed me for a long time, you know, I need to be able to reposition my stickers. So, and this paper is just really not conducive to that. Okay. So those two bands of washi tape pretty significantly cut down the amount of space I have for decoration and quotes, but I'm fine with that, like I said. So the only thing I have left then is a little bit of decoration for that center part. I love the way these colors are coming together. So let's see what we can find here, you guys. Remember, 2 copies of every page. So, and I've used a lot of these stickers. There's some really good ones. I like this floral. You know what I'm thinking? I could put this floral here and put this quote over top of it. Maybe it's actually really big. There's this one. Let's just go ahead and grab the smaller version of it. I think I'll put it kind of there in the corner. And then I'm thinking I want to put this one over here on the opposite end. Like here. Not quite up against the line though. Let's center it on Monday. And then I just noticed this pink one with the heart. And I think I want to put that in the middle on Thursday. Should I turn them? Ooh, let's turn them, you guys. I want to turn them. I don't know why. If I can peel them back up. Just to kind of add a little interest, you know. Color outside the lines, you guys. Yes, I like that. Okay, what else we got? Yeah, see, clothes aren't going to change the world. The woman who wears them will Donna Cran. And I'm not a fashion person. I work from home. So my work clothes are pajamas and t-shirts. And I'm fine with that after being in the corporate world for decades. So what do we got here? This rose gold foil is beautiful, but this script is so hard to read. She's the type of flower that can still grow after a forest fire. Ooh, I like that, you guys. And I have pink and pink over here, so let's put it over here. I like that one. I like that quote. What else we got? Big gold letters. Here we go. Love. Some more of these florals. What's this one say? Clothes aren't going to change the world. The women who wear them will. Anne Klein. That's the author. Well, all right. I want something round there. So what do we have here that's round? This flower, this, oh, I like this heart. Let's use this heart because it's got all the different colors in it. So I want something round because I've got square, 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 and I've got these straight lines. I think I need something round. So what I'm thinking is, like, it's not enough to fill this whole space. I've got like a long thin quote here. So if I put it here, then I can put another long thin couple of words here, and they're not right beside each other, and then the space is filled better. And I've got the dark to go against the pink that I put there. So let's go find a word. Let's go back to the same page where I got those and pick a couple words. Here we go. Be yourself, escape the ordinary, believe in yourself, oh happy day, good vibes, living the dream, life is good. You know what, guys, just depends on my mood, but like I know it when I see it, you know, as I'm reading through these quotes lots of times, like that heart and these words, life is good, just, yeah. Okay, there we go. So that side is full enough. I need to figure out a little something here. I'm kind of maybe thinking we mimic this, but smaller. So there's another page in here that has circle stickers, but they're much smaller, or a pair of pages these. So what if we go with a dark heart, like this one, and let's find another word, another small one. So even though I have one there, that's okay. And maybe I'll use a pink heart too. Let's go to the page of words. I mean, these are burgundy words, but they're more functional. Party, to-do, birthday, appointment, budget, goals. Yeah, I don't really want any of those. Oh my gosh. Here we go. One more of these. So let's see, escape the ordinary. You are one of a kind. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate, because we'll do Valentine's Day dinner. Yeah. Okay. So if I put, I know it's pink words right under pink words. How else could I do this? I don't really have many choices, you guys. All right. We're just going to put, we're going to go ahead and do it. Let's celebrate. But I'm going to put these hearts on either side to kind of change it up a little bit. So I need one more of those to put over here, and then I think that'll be, it's not perfect, but I like it. I can definitely live with it. So celebrate with Valentine's Day dinner. Okay, there we go. I think it's done. Let's put it in my planner. I have the pink discs right now for Valentine's Day, so it's gonna look pretty darn nice. No Franken planning required. There we go. There is my Valentine's Day spread, my Valentine's week spread in my wellness planner. Lots of burgundies and pinks. So I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to start your own wellness planner, especially if you're struggling with something or going through a big life change. It really can help to get your thoughts out and down on paper. That's how it helped me the most when I first started it several years ago. So if you do like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.